Today we're looking at part number 225-10P-BM-550. It's the 225 75R15 10-Ply Radial Trailer Tire mounted on the black mod wheel with the 5-on-5 bolt pattern. Let's check it out. So, like I said, part number 225-10P-BM-550. This is your ST225 75R15 10-Ply Radial Trailer Tire, load range E, and it's mounted on the black modular wheel, and it comes in a 5-on-4.5 bolt pattern or a 5-on-5 bolt pattern. And how you measure your bolt pattern is you can measure it two different ways. You can either measure it from center of one hole right here to center of the other hole right next to each other, or you can measure it from center of one hole, skip a hole, to outside of the third hole. So outside of this hole to center of this hole. If you measure it like this, you'll come up with measurements like 4.5 inches, 5 inches, 5.5 inches, or 4 3/4 inches. So that would tell you, if it measures 4.5 inch, for example, you would have a 5-on-4.5 bolt pattern since it's 5 lugs, 4.5 inch spacing. If you measure it from center of one to center of the other one right next to it, you're going to come up with measurements like 2 5/8 from center to center. So that would be a 5-on-4.5, or 2 3/4 inches. So 3/4 from here to here, center to center. That'd be a 5-on-4 3/4, or 3 inches would be a 5-on-5, or 3.5 inches would be a 5-on-5.5 bolt pattern. So this is like a flat black, matte black wheel. It's a steel wheel, and it's already mounted, comes aired up, ready to go. This particular tire, it's a high run brand. We stock the high runs along with like co-partners, and the overall height of this guy is 28 inches, and he is about 8 inches wide. Has a nice tread pattern on here, and it is ready to go. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.